Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So children, today we are going to study the second point from the aptitude, that is analogy of the letters. Okay, so in the previous video I already told you the analogy, and here we are going to study about the analogy of the letters. Okay, to solve the analogy of letters, such type of problems, to solve questions easily, assign a numerical value to each and every alphabet in forward as well as backward manners. If possible, remember those numeral values. So to solve this such type of example, that is the analogy of the letters, we have to give the numerical values to the alphabets. As you already know, there are total 26 alphabets are there in English. So just give the numbers to that all 26 alphabets, means one number to A, B to C 3, D 4, like that, Z 26, like that you have to give the values. So see here, as you see, to solve such type of examples easily, we have to give the numbers, or we have to set the values of the alphabet. So I have written here alphabets from A to Z, that is A, B, C, D up to Z. Now see here children, give the values for each alphabet. First give the values from 1 to 26, that is A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, like that. Give the value for each give the numerical value for each alphabet here. Same way, come in the backward direction, that is give the one value for the Z. Y means 2, X means 3, W means 4, like that you have to come in the backward direction. Okay, so first give the value in the downward direction, that is from A to Z, 1 2 3 4 6 up to 26, and next value you have to give from the downwards, that is from 1 to 26, go upward. Okay, so let us see the example one here. So in from your page number 2, there is an analogy of the letters. Tick the right mark and right choice. Okay, so see here, first one is A is to D, B is to E, P is to S. Then we have to find the which letter come here for E. To solve such type of examples, in this question, first establish a relation between A and D. So we have to identify a relation between A and D, then B, E and E. Then we have to find the what is the relation there is in between P and S. In the same way, we have to apply that to the last one, that is for E1, and we have to identify which letter will come here. So after that, and look the same for the E. First assign the numerical values to all alphabets and make a table. So we already made here table. So the first one is A is to D. So see children, A is here and D is here. Okay. So after that, they left two words here. Okay. From going to A to D, we have to cross over two letters. Then the second letter is B, and the relation next letter is E. So to go for B to E, here also two letters are there. Then see the third one, that is P, S. So P is here and S is here. In between P and S, there are two letters are there. So here the fourth one, the relation to the E will come. So see here, E is here. After that we have to leave two letters. Then which will come? H will come. So the answer is H. So to go to A to D, we have to leave two letters. To go to B to E, we have to leave two letters. To go to P to S, we have to leave two letters. Then for E, after E, we have to leave two letters, leave F and G, and then go for the next one, that is H. So our answer is C1, that is H. I hope you understood this one. Let us go to the next question, that is question number 2. It is here is the relation between the given B, Y, D, W, F, U. Then we have to find the H. Okay. So to solve this, just make the alphabets parts in parts. We have to make here two parts. Okay. So let us make parts here only. I'll show you here only. So write down like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, then G, then H, I, J, K, L, M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 letters are there. Now we have to write the letters in opposite way. That is, from here we have to write down the Z. Means after M, N will come here. Okay. M will come downside M. Then O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and so I have arranged here alphabets in this manner. Write down 13 alphabets outside upwards and write down the from N in opposite direction. Okay. So see here, B's relation goes to Y. So as you see, downside B, Y has came here. Then see D, after D relation is W. So here downside D, W is there. Then F, in downside U is there, like that. Find out the H1. H is here. Downside which letter is there? S is there. So the options are, option A is S, option B is T, option C is U and option D is P. So see here, B's relation is Y, D's relation is W, F relation is U, then H relation is S. So the answer is option number A, yes. I hope you understood this part. Remaining we will study in the today's live session. So please do attend the live session to understand such type of examples. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.